Hey guys, I'm back with yet another scintillating RC. And as you must have noticed, in every session, we learn some or the other new thing. Sometimes I give you some stunts. So I hope you're noting those down. And all these put together will help you maneuver your way in your RCs. कोई ना कोई पॉइंट तो हेल्प कर ही देगा आपकी. चलिए देखते हैं आज हमारे पास क्या है ये. So the gospel stays the same. Understand the main idea, map the passage, locate important zones, pin the types of questions, elimination techniques. आपने मुझे बार बार बोलते हुए सुना है. So it's high time you started working on these and around these. Okay. Socratic trap. The moment I hear the word Socrates, I get reminded of his trial. I know that Socrates was a philosopher. Socrates पहले आया था, बाद में प्लेटो आया था. प्लेटो सोक्रेटिस को अपना गुरु मानता था, ऐसा कुछ कुछ मैंने पढ़ा है. And then Socrates was executed because it seems, I think it was something like this, that he, through his writings, he was trying to instigate the people of Rome, नहीं Greece, कहीं का तो जहाँ पर भी कर रहा था वो, and he was executed. He was made to drink some poison, hemlock या कुछ कहलाता था. Anyway, so Socrates नाम देख करके मुझे ये सब आता है याद. अब Socratic trap, ये पैसेज किस बारे में है, मेन आइडिया क्या है, वी डोंट नो. जस्ट बिकॉज Socrates वर्ड इज देयर स्प्लैश्ड एवरीवेयर, इट डजंट मीन द मेन आइडिया इज Socrates. नो, कुछ तो होगा ना, उसका मुद्दा कुछ तो होगा. जॉनरा क्या है, मेटा फिलोसफी. रोल अप योर स्लीव्स एंड प्लीज डोंट फ्राउन. करके देखते हैं, ठीक है. चलिए. सो कितना बड़ा पैसेज है ये, 3, 4, 5 पैराग्राफ्स. ओके. किस चीज के बारे में, Socratic thought, philosophy of aesthetics, judgment, okay, false dichotomies, transcend, traditional aesthetic theory. काफी बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं, डेंस वर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं. एस्थेटिक्स तो आपको पता ही है. एस्थेटिक्स इज सुंदरता, connected with anything. It can be art, it can be a home, it can be just anything. Okay. A theory of aesthetic appearance. Okay. So how is all this connected with Socrates? The last para I think delves into that. देखेंगे. Questions क्या है, चलिए. आजा मेरे टैब. According to the author, what? What is the fundamental failure shared by both the essence and appearance? Oh, तो ये तो specific होना चाहिए, है ना? Fundamental failure, both essence and appearance. I'm going to look for essence and appearance of aesthetics while I'm reading. Okay, then a contemporary artist creates a digital installation that uses glitches to remind the viewer. Okay, modern artist, perception of the real world is actually a series of data-driven constructions. कुछ digital बनाता है, modern artist है. Viewer का perception जो है, actually a series of this. Artist's work would best fit into what? अब जाहिर सी बात है, ट्रेडिशनल तो होगा नहीं, है ना. तो एक ग्लांस से ही समझ में आ रहा है, मॉडर्न होगा, थियरी होगा, ये भी रख सकते हैं. चलो देखेंगे जब वक्त आएगा. The authors claim that essence and appearance are merely different versions of a single root implies what? So this is an inference question. His claim, we need to look for this in the passage. Essence and appearance, all right. And the fourth one. Why does the author mention Schelling, Schopenhauer and Marcuse in the final para? So this is a para related. I would love to start with this. I hope you are learning this stunt with me. Try to locate the easiest question in a passage and try to start with that, so that while you're solving the passage, you gain more information from the passage. Cool? Chalo. So, I'm going to go back and ये रहा आपका first para. From its origins in Socratic thought, the philosophy of aesthetics. So I understand this is being discussed here. Philosophy of aesthetics has been driven by a dichotomy. Dichotomy is a division that proves both illuminating and deceptive. ये illuminating है, enlightening है, as well as deceptive. Something related to धोखा. The capacity of this has been understood either as providing this, ये illuminating, or as revealing a distinct realm of appearance. Okay. According to the first interpretation, engagement with the true nature of reality, positive है, illuminating है, insight है. So true nature of reality से engagement है. Breaking through the illusory circumstances of this. Second interpretation, बस नहीं पढ़ रही मैं. I know that there are two interpretations here. About what? Philosophy of aesthetics, right? Understood, okay, okay, dichotomy है. There are two interpretations. If there is a question, I'll come back. अभी के लिए तो छोड़ दो. In my judgment, this represents one of the false dichotomies that aesthetic theory should cross. Transcend is cross a certain thing. The method of achieving this becomes clear when we recognize that these seemingly opposite are merely different versions. ये है उसका एक claim, एक question. Just keep it in mind. Wherein meaning यहाँ दिया है. उसका rephrased version उधर देगा आंसर में. बस इतना देख लिया मैंने. पढ़ के दिमाग खराब नहीं कर रही मैं अभी. Okay. Traditional aesthetic theory. अब this para is talking about traditional one. Question है या नहीं है देख लेंगे. Interprets this as the disclosure of something something contemporary. A modern variation, significant influence. I remember there's this digital wala question. So I'm just skimming here. Revealing connections, okay, constructed, okay, okay, all right. Structure of aesthetic engagement. आएंगे इसमें देखने के लिए उसका आंसर. A theory of aesthetic appearance in contrast. Okay. Aesthetic appearance. So what was he explaining here? The essence. ये देख रहे हो? Essence. And here he says appearance. There is a question connected with this. Dismisses the tight connection. Okay, okay. कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा इतनी अभी theory पढ़ लोगे तो. So just keep it in mind. Some contrast is given here. For the appearance based, okay, okay, all right, something. कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा आपको ज़्यादा. It characterizes this immersion. Okay. Done. Okay. Moreover, if you ever see contrast or likewise or unlike, जहाँ भी comparison है ना, that is a question pocket. Okay, question बनाया जाता है वहाँ पे. These perspectives have been championed in vastly different forms with greatly varying degrees of alliance building. As you can see, I'm focusing on this last para now. I have slowed down my car. Okay. One need only remember this. इस पे भी तो question है इन लोगों को क्यों introduce किया, right? Nevertheless, the preoccupation traceable to Socrates. Okay. Essence versus appearance. So Socrates ने ये बोला था. There is a question I remember. Constitutes a particularly problematic dichotomy. Under this fixation, वो उसका meaning यहाँ दिया है, आते हैं अभी हम. Last line, regardless, okay, conceptualize यार नहीं समझ आना है बहुत ज़्यादा तो यहाँ पर, but tangible, intangible, ये सब words के meanings मुझे clear है. So I know very well that now when I go and pick my questions, I'll be able to rephrase and eliminate wisely. However, I know now what is where. This is good enough for me to feel confident and proceed on to the questions. कितना टाइम लगना चाहिए इस पैसेज में? 90 seconds. चलो 2 मिनट आप ले लो, आप भी क्या याद करोगे? 2 मिनट. For every question now I'm going to give 2.5 minutes. 2 minutes में हो जाना चाहिए आराम से. If you start with the good one. All right, now this one, I would start with this. Why does the author mention these names in the final paragraph? Okay, एक बार तो देख लेंगे पहले. Now, these perspectives have been championed, supported, promoted, vastly different forms and with greatly varying degrees of alliance building. One need only remember, इसने क्या किया था? Profoundly influential exploration of the absolute's perceptual appearance. Okay, and then Schopenhauer's concept regarding this, revealing the appearance, aesthetic of this. Fine. यहाँ तक हमने देख लिया. Let's go back to the options and start eliminating. Can we handle this or not? चलिए. To provide historical evidence of philosophers who successfully transcended the dichotomy of this. Historical evidence, okay, successfully transcended. They crossed the dichotomy. They left the dichotomy behind. To illustrate the vast reach and varied ideological alliances that have been formed under this, Okay, to argue that Marcuse's aesthetic of this is the most radical, easy elimination. किसी की superiority वहां नहीं दी गई है. To suggest that even profoundly influential thinkers have contributed to the problematic conceptualization of this as an escape. Okay, even profoundly. And historical evidence, did they transcend the dichotomy? Let's go back and check once again. अब ये पहले round of reading के बाद I could eliminate one option. I'll quickly come and try to kind of take the key points now. These perspectives have been championed in this vastly different forms and with greatly varying degrees of alliance building. One need only remember. So even these people did it. आप इनका ही क्यों बोल रहे हो? Even these people did it. One need only remember his profoundly influential exploration. किस चीज का? Absolute's perceptual appearance. Okay. Schopenhauer's concepts regarding artistically revealing the appearance, nature of this, aesthetics of this, aesthetic of whatever. Preoccupation with essence versus this traceable to Socrates constitutes a particularly problematic dichotomy. He says, nevertheless, this preoccupation that was started by Socrates constitutes this problematic dichotomy. Does it mean, do we understand from here that these people were able to transcend it? Leave it behind? No. Right? So, one more we can eliminate, successfully transcended the dichotomy. Out. Left with B and D. What do the two options say? To illustrate the vast reach and varied ideological alliances that have been formed under the essence versus appearance fixation. Okay. To suggest that even profoundly influential thinkers, तीनों का नाम दिया है उसने, तीनों की उसने तारीफ की है, have contributed to the problematic conceptualization of this as an escape. Dichotomy जो बोला है, problematic dichotomy. So these, ये जो even वाला word है ना, that gives me the answer over here because it says here, one need only remember this. मतलब आपको support चाहिए. These were championed in different forms, vastly different forms, varying degrees of alliance building. You need to remember these people. Influential exploration, सबका वैसे यहाँ पे बोला है उसने. ठीक है? Appearance, nature. So, between these two, B and D, D is much better because it talks about how they contributed to the problematic conceptualization of this. And then after that, he says Socrates, Socrates or ये problematic dichotomy वाला. So, इसमें to illustrate the vast reach, बोला है वहाँ पे, varied ideological alliances, ये भी बोला है, that have been formed under the essence of this. ये, I'm not happy with this formed word. Maybe they were not formed then, ये पहले से थे उनके ideas या जो भी, but that have been formed. Vast reach and all alliances that have been formed under this doesn't make sense to me, so D is the best one here. Okay, between these two, D has better words. Sometimes, it works wonderfully if you're left with two options and you try to just look for something with better words. That works in this case also. Now, would I want to do this? Why not? The authors claim that essence and appearance are merely different versions of a single well-established root. Now, I'll take you back to that point. It's given somewhere here, right? We were looking for this. So he says here, I'm going to just read a little from here to here. This represents one of the false dichotomies. क्यों तुम इसके टुकड़े करके दो divisions में चल रहे हो? That aesthetic theory should transcend. This represents one of the false dichotomies that aesthetic theory should cross. The method of achieving this becomes clear when we recognize that these seemingly opposite approaches are merely different versions of a single well-established root. They belong together, they overlap. There is fluidity, okay? Wherein, यहाँ दिया है, perception and contemplation. Perception is how you perceive things. Contemplation, how you think about something. Journey toward either essence or semblance. Semblance is what? Appearance. This is what they are talking about. Essence, appearance, right? So यहाँ पे essence की बात की है इसने. यहाँ appearance की, this is what he says here, perception and contemplation together come toward essence or appearance. इतना पढ़ लिया हमने, let's go back and eliminate. This one we are doing, right? Okay. The debate between the two is a semantic misunderstanding. Semantic, connected with language. Fundamental philosophical, no. So, both theories are limited by the same teleological goal, the movement of perception toward a state beyond the immediate movement of perception. Bola hai na? I'll keep this. Aesthetic theory has remained stagnant since Socrates because it refuses to incorporate Schopenhauer. Now, this is completely a wrong cause-effect thing. Aesthetic theory has remained stagnant. वो भी कब? Since Socrates. Okay? वहाँ बोला है, it can be traced back to Socrates. Okay? Socrates ने dichotomy maybe start किया या propagate किया because it refuses to incorporate this of appearance nature. So it has remained stagnant. Effect, cause, this. This is definitely not the reason, as is clear from the passage out. Transcendence of the dichotomy is impossible without first acknowledging the moral theories. Okay. Crossing the dichotomy, leaving it behind, is impossible. Pure passage mein the author has talked about transcending it. He says it's false dichotomy. Then why would he call it impossible without first acknowledging the moral theories? You see this, the moral theories. Out of scope, eliminated. So we are left with B. That is your answer. Let's go back and try to verify it. Limited by the same teleological goal. What is the goal? Movement of perception, a state beyond the immediate. Go back and check here. Method of achieving this, seemingly opposite, merely different versions. Okay. यहाँ बोला है journey toward either essence or appearance. ठीक है, और यहाँ essence interprets this, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी पढ़ लो, disclosure of an otherwise hidden deeper meaning. A modern variation holds significant influence within artistic objects. This variation, okay, revealing all connections, okay, constructed. Nevertheless, both versions of essence operate under the assumption that fundamental patterns can be understood through or within this, right? Apparent. So anyway, so between भी इसमें नहीं बत रहा था, यही बत रहा है. So they are, both the theories have some kind of, अगर आप उसमें दूसरे वाले में भी देखेंगे ना, इसमें a theory of aesthetic this dismisses this tight connection between aesthetic this for the appearance, the temporal dimension, isolated territory, no conclusions can be drawn regarding reality structure. So as we saw in both of these, there is some kind of limitation, some kind of restriction, the movement of this. ठीक है? So B is the best one. Hope this is clear. And we are left with what? Questions 1 and 2. Fine. Now, a contemporary artist creates a digital installation that uses glitches to remind the viewer that the perception is actually a series. All right. Now, this artist's work would best fit into what? Modern hai. Traditional wala eliminated. Okay. The modern variation of essence-based aesthetics reveals the constructed nature. Modern variation, I'll keep this. Theory of aesthetic appearance because it carries, अब ये because में कोई trap हो सकता है, creates an isolated territory from which no conclusions about reality can be drawn. Okay, we just read this. Okay, यहाँ आप देख लो. No conclusions can be drawn regarding reality structure. Okay, so ये तो theory of aesthetic appearance को explain कर रहा है. Now, if you talk about digital wala that uses glitches to remind the viewer that their perception is actually series of data-driven. Data-driven constructions hai, why would it connect with this? No conclusions about reality can be drawn. क्यों होगा? I mean, data-driven अगर वो है तब तो वही होगा ना कि भाई, just like the data is created, similarly you have, it reveals the constructed nature. Constructed nature, that is what the passage is talking about. So ये जो आपका है, it is given, this sentence is given, but this is not connected with ये digital installation and uska, why would it prove that? So ये eliminated between B and D. The authors proposed transcendent theory because it uses media theoretical frameworks to bridge the Socratic dichotomy. The authors propose this again because it uses media theoretical frameworks to bridge the Socratic dichotomy. इसको ना एक और तरीके से भी आप चेक कर सकते हो. Digital installation, remind, okay, perception, okay, data driven constructions. Just go back and try to look for some construction driven thing. Okay, आप यहाँ देखना अभी. A modern variation often articulated through media theoretical frameworks. Media वाला दिया है यहाँ. Holds significant influence within artistic objects, identifies the operation of revealing how all connections are constructed. ये दिख रहा है आपको ये. All connections are constructed. So, if you talk about something, by showing glitches and modern and digital installation wala, between B and D, I think this makes more sense. Modern variation, modern bhi ho gaya. Essence based aesthetics hai, constructed nature, as is given in the passage. So as I said, when you're left with two choices, just take one and try to prove it from the passage. And as I said over here, constructed reality wala jaake dekho. In that para, this is what he has discussed, right? So this is done. One more question, the last one. According to the author, what is the fundamental failure shared by both this? Fundamental failure of both. अभी हमने एक में पढ़ा था. Limitation, some kind of limitation, right? So, what kind of limitation was this? ये कुछ था ना कि from the actual ठहरो. ये. This dismisses this tight connection between actuality and aesthetic actuality. So it refuses, it rejects, it says ये actuality से connection नहीं है between this and moral, okay. For the appearance based, the domain, the temporal dimension of this exists as an isolated. No conclusions can be drawn. यहाँ भी देख लो आप इसमें. All connections are constructed. Reality से जितने connections हैं, those are like, those are all connected. Both versions operate under the assumption that this can be discerned. Aesthetic experience, the underlying structure. Okay. So दोनों में यही है कि they kind of move away from reality. है ना? They both rely on a Socratic framework? No. Socrates का नाम था बोला, it can be traced back to Socrates, this dichotomy. But they both rely on this. Prioritizes the temporal, no. We are looking for something that says it moves away from reality or it doesn't connect with it. They both treat aesthetic experiences as a secondary phenomenon that is dependent on this, knowledge-based, moral theories, they rakha wahan par, but they both treat this as secondary phenomenon. No. Aesthetic wala jo theory hai, why would it treat aesthetic experience as secondary? Common sense, eliminated, I'm left with C and D. They both conceptualize aesthetic consciousness as a departure from the reality, lived experience of the present moment. I'll go with this. They both fail to recognize that the revelation of hidden meaning is functionally identical to the immersion, domain of the unreal. Reality is a departure, but that doesn't mean, immersion into the domain of the unreal. That is like wordplay, distortion over here. और एक और चीज यहाँ पे ये है, they both fail to recognize the revelation of hidden meaning. Recognize that the revelation of hidden meaning, it's talking about hidden meanings and all. ये दोनों का एक ही common चीज दिखाया है. They move away from reality. They don't connect from the actual. They don't connect with the actual, departure from the actual. So this is the best one. It's given there actually. I mean, इसमें elimination करके chase करने की भी इतनी जरूरत नहीं थी. So this is good. Now, out of these 4 questions, which one was moderate? Definitely this one. Para-related. ठीक है? Even profoundly, इसमें थोड़ा सा like elimination में लग रहा था, but then the tone, the language, जैसे उसमें बोला है ना last में, we need only to look, वो वाला, it is giving you the answer. तो थोड़ी सी reading और tone वगैरह improve करोगे, ये हो जाएगा. And this one, ये जो है ना, दोनों paragraphs में आपने देख लिया, आपको दिख गया, real, actual मिल जाएगा ये. So this is moderate. The remaining 2 questions were pretty difficult. सर खुजाना पड़ सकता था इसमें. So what is the takeaway from this passage? That you need to select good questions. Please do not take it upon your ego that I am going to handle this. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मेरे से solve ना, मैं तो करके रहूंगा. Ego पे मत लो. नहीं हो रहा भाई, जाने दो, कोई बात नहीं. Maybe some other passage is waiting for you with ekdam ही duckling and darling type के questions. So question selection, practice question selection, that is so important. Hope the point is clear. All right, guys, keep learning. I'm going to meet you again very soon. Thank you.